What's going on, you guys? This is Mike or Geek Ramon. Welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be looking into the analytics of some of my content over on the Mike Avery After Dark channel. Now, I apologize for not uploading for a little while. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I've uploaded. I lost my voice completely, so I've been unable to even remotely try to film a video, but you can tell I'm a little scratchy, but we're back. And today's video is going to be fun. I want to look at this brand new channel that I've started. I want to show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes analytics and how to analyze the analytics as a content creator as you seek to grow your own platform. Now, as you guys know, today's video is sponsored by my very own website, mycreatorinsights.com. Access is available to all Patreon members, so definitely check it out. If you want to research channels more in depth, we've aggregated a ton of great stats around content creators. You can research any channel you want. There's also this entire left side here of amazing tools that are available. Tag generators, brand valuation tool. You input all of your metrics and I tell you exactly how much to charge for a video. You can pull keywords from any video on YouTube. There's an AI title generator, tag generator. My personal favorite project right now, I have partnered with a ton of artists to create some DMCA safe, copyright-free music for you guys to use in your live streams and your content creation. So as you guys are navigating the long journey of trying to figure out how to maximize your potential as a content creator, this website hopefully will come alongside and give you all the tools that you need. If you pair this with the Discord channel that we've offered to all Patreon members and this YouTube channel, my goal is that you will have everything you need to be successful. So if you're new, welcome. Take just a second to subscribe. Today's video, though, we're gonna hop into YouTube analytics. Now, I'm gonna hop over to my dashboard here. This is a brand new channel that we started, posting variety content on. It's got a lot of Call of Duty content. You can tell we have 568 current subscribers, 230 in the past month. Let's take a look at the channel analytics real quick. You can tell I posted one video because I lost my voice. So from here to here, I was completely unable to film, but we are back. And today I wanna hop into some of these recent uploads and show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes of how I analyze my content and how I seek to iterate and improve. Because I think one of the best things that you can do as a content creator is start posting. Go ahead and post and then figure out, okay, what did I do well? What do I need to improve on? And what can I do differently next time? The biggest thing that hinders people is the state of perfection, where you spend too much time over editing, you spend too much time overthinking, and you don't actually click publish. It's crazy to me how many content creators I know that if they just hit publish would likely have a successful channel, but they're afraid to do it. So take that step, post your first video, and then leave me a comment down below. I would love to give you guys some feedback. All right, so if we look in the past month or so, I've posted a video on October 15th. I posted a Counter-Strike video on October 3rd, a Call of Duty video on October 2nd, and then September 29th, an Apex Legends video. And that actually is my most successful video of the past month or two. So I want to walk through some of these and tell you guys things I've did well, things I think that I could improve, and really just give you guys a behind the curtain Wizard of Oz style view into what YouTubers see on the analytics side. So let's hop in here. I'm going to click the analytics of my Modern Warfare 3 video. This video was posted about 14 days ago. I gained 3 subscribers off this video. We got 15 hours of watch time and 322 views, which on a channel with 570 subscribers is actually really, really strong. I'm impressed with that. All right, so where do we start? What's the first thing that I like to look at? Well, if you scroll down, you can see how viewers found this video. And a lot of times you're gonna notice, especially early, YouTube recommendations are going to be a key piece when it comes to how viewers click on your video. YouTube will take new channels, bubble their good content up on the sides. You can tell here in the little thumbnail, YouTube Home will recommend and the up next videos will recommend. That actually is 50% of the views on this video. 45% being that YouTube recommended homepage. That goes back to creating a solid thumbnail. Looking at the thumbnail for this video, it's very clear it's Call of Duty. It's very clear it's probably a live comm. I have a trendy title of Modern Warfare 3 is almost here. If that video lands on the home feed, we had 50% of our viewership come from someone who opened YouTube and said, let me click on that and see what it is. If you're new to YouTube, search and the home feed are going to be your 2 biggest areas of viewership. That is where most of your views are going to come from. Now, one of the more vague criteria here is these 69 views. nice, that I had from channel pages. And this, I've tried to narrow this, but I believe this is actually when you're on the YouTube channel and you're either on the home feed and you click on a video, or you're on videos for that channel and you end up clicking on a video. Someone may know better, you could correct me if I'm wrong, but there's not a lot of detail around channel pages. I've always assumed it's views that come from people who land on your YouTube channel. Now, the subscriptions feed, this is primarily a mobile. You know, if you open YouTube on your phone, you've got your home feed, you've got the shorts feed, and then you also have your subscriptions tab. I actually watch a lot of my videos on my phone on the subscriptions feed. It looks like 16% of the viewership came from the subscriptions feed. That's good. These bottom two, these are ones I would call community builders. You want to try to increase the amount of views that you have on your subscriptions feed and your notification squad. There's many ways to do that, a lot of call to actions that you guys can do. I will probably do an entire video on how to engage your community and get that call to action for people to join the notification squad. But you can tell, brand new channel, only 3% of my views came from notifications. This means hardly anyone is subscribed to me yet. Most of my content is going to be new people that I'm trying to bring in. 7% other, a lot of this is direct. This could be people off Twitter, Instagram, external sources, but it only was 23 views, so YouTube didn't feel like breaking up and telling you deeper categorization. All right, so now if we scroll down a little further, interest in your content, key moments for audience retention. This is a very important thing to check. This was only a 6-minute video. That means I don't have a lot of time. If I have a 6-minute video, my goal is to maximize how long people click and then stay on that video. That's what's going to drive YouTube to start recommending my video more, bubbling it up, putting it on the sidebar. The longer people are watching, the more YouTube is going to say, hey, this person likes watching Mike's videos. Let me give them more of Mike's videos. And you will tell, typical retention not available. It's a new channel. I don't have enough videos and I haven't posted enough in the past month to really give it. But I will say, average view duration of 246 is low. That's because this is a new channel. If I go over to my Geekermon video, I normally have a retention closer to 7-8 minutes. That is all back to building community. Like I said, I'll do another video on that. I'm trying to keep these focused and detailed, but don't be discouraged by a low average view duration when you're first starting out. I feel like a lot of times people get burned. They look and say, man, people only watch 1 minute of my video. Well, it's only a 5-minute video and you've got a bunch of people who don't know who you are. How many times have you landed on YouTube and then clicked away to another video? It's not personal. It's just you're not a dedicated viewer yet, but you're working your way towards bringing in the community and bringing in those dedicated viewers. Now, I will say 60% of your viewers still watching at the 30-second mark is impressive. That is an argument that I would say as a content creator, get into the content. When I start a video, I like to go, what's going on, you guys? Start the intro and then try to jump into the content within the 2-minute mark for the most part. I try to be as quick as possible. If you're gonna go over a build, or you're gonna go over a loadout, or you're gonna talk about a sponsor, that's all great. But the quicker you get into the content, the quicker you engage your audience and have people that say, hey, I'm gonna watch for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever it might be. Usually I make that decision in the first 2 seconds of a video. Am I gonna commit to watching this video or am I gonna go somewhere else? And that's why you see such a steep drop off. Don't be discouraged by this. You can tell 30 seconds in, half people basically have already said, hey, I'm out. I'm not watching any more of this video. And that's okay. A lot of times, even as you build community, people will land and then they'll say, yeah, I don't really want to watch Call of Duty gameplay right now. I'm going to go to the next thing. Attention spans are short. So be encouraged if you see charts where looking at the end of the video, if you have over 30% of your viewers at the end of the video, that's strong. That's very strong. If it's 4%, you probably need to reevaluate. Your videos are probably dragging on too long. You're not maintaining the engagement of the audience. And so there's ways that you can do that in editing, in post. And so again, there's going to be another video on that. Check out the how to edit video if you guys want to learn a little more about how I edit my videos. But overall, this is what a standard chart looks like. So you want to see a trend line where people say, hey, I'm engaged with the video. They're trickling off, but a lot of people stay. And then you get a drop off right at the end. Now, let's take a look at the reach for this video. We had 5,600 impressions. YouTube does try to promote small channels. I know a lot of people are questioning that. Does YouTube help me grow? If you're new, and if you're new to streaming, YouTube is the best way to start. I promise you there's so much opportunity here. It's easier to grow on YouTube than it is to start just streaming on Twitch and hoping people find you. Create good, relevant content, bring people in, and then push them to your live stream. That's my recommendation. Now, click-through rate of 4%. That's actually not bad for a brand new channel. Normally, I'd want closer to 10 on something like the Geekermon channel, but for a brand new channel, I know there's a lot of people who are like, I have no idea who that guy is. Maybe I'll check it out. And so having 5%, and I've noticed it's trending upward. That's actually actually really encouraging. Now, if you get 4% click-through on 5,600 impressions, 86% is from YouTube recommending. The other is probably social media, Twitter, Instagram, people sharing it out there. 266 views from that is actually really good. I'm just hoping that one of every 100 will say, hey, I want to subscribe. Your goal should really be to build each video. So when you post a video, if you can get 5 people to subscribe and you can get 1 person to hit the notification bell, that's a massive win, because as you're rolling and as you're snowballing, you get 5 and then 5 and then 6 and then 10 and then 20, and it starts to build on itself, and you get recurring people coming back, new people trickling in. Build the community, feed the community the content they want to see, reach new people and pull them into the community. That is the very best way to grow. Now look, I only have 63 Bell Squad members on this channel. YouTube doesn't even necessarily know how to recommend these videos. I have 1% of my traffic coming from search, and it's my name. It's not Call of Duty. It's Time Bolt, which is the editing software I use, and you guys have seen a video here on the channel. So when you're starting, don't get discouraged by the content suggesting your video or the search terms. I'm actually going to swap over real quick, and I'm going to show you the analytics on one of the videos on the Geekermon channel. So this is a video I posted a week or so ago on the Destiny channel. And if I go to my reach, what you'll notice, click-through rate's a little bit higher. Views are, of course, a lot stronger. But as I scroll down, you'll notice I have 13,000 Bell Squad members, and the search terms are Geekermon, Destiny 2, Destiny 2 bow. The content that is suggesting my video is Destiny content. YouTube takes some time to figure out what your channel is about, so you have to be consistent with what you're posting on. If you start by posting 500 random things, it doesn't give YouTube an opportunity to say, hey, this is Geekermon, he posts Destiny videos, people that like to watch Aztecross also like to watch Geekermon. Let's put them up in the recommendations and see if we can move people over. So the longer that you post, this will start to work itself out. And you'll notice this only has 2% search. That's because it says Geek Rages at Bows. That's not a searchable video. Now, if I go to this older video, which is Rufus's Fury, this video had 11,000 views and 20% of it came from search. Destiny 2 Rufus's Fury, Rufus Fury, Rufus Fury. This video was titled much more searchable than the current video, which is Bows Made Me Rage. No one is searching for that. So if you're brand new, my recommendation to you, try to use searchable content when you're creating videos. What are people going to be looking for? What are they going to hop on YouTube and type in? Destiny 2, Rufus's Fury. Bam, your video is the first one there. Oh, Geekermon, who is this guy? Hops in, I welcome you, I bring you into the community, you decide to subscribe and turn on the bell, and every video that you post, you should be building on top of that foundation. Searchability is great when you are small and you're starting out and you don't have a community. Don't be afraid to look for trending terms. Hop on Google Trends and see what in your niche is currently trending. If you can post videos around that, you're really going to benefit in the long term, because it creates essentially an avenue for people to find your YouTube channel. That is massive when you're first starting out. Now, one other thing I want to show you guys is another way to grow when you're small, and one of the best ways to start out. I'll probably do a full video on this, but YouTube Shorts is an incredible avenue. 500 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and look at these shorts. 200, 700, 600, 700. Those were all shorts, and they did not take me very long to edit. I'll do a full video on how to edit shorts. I've actually done it with this online software, and I've been very, very impressed. I promise that'll be a video coming. Keep your eyes peeled. Subscribe if you haven't, but keep your eyes peeled in the next week. I'll have a video on that. So if we take a look at this video right here, we had 700 views on this. I only gained 1 subscriber off of it, but hey, a subscriber's a subscriber. 91% of the views came off of the shorts feed. The shorts feed is an incredible way to reach new people. But look, it's a brand new channel. The YouTube doesn't know what search between two firms. What is this? It doesn't know, but it is recommending it because I have 700 views. And for a 39-second short, my view duration is 16. That's incredibly long. That means people are watching half of this video. Look at the retention at the beginning of this. People are not swiping away right away. I'm creating engaging YouTube shorts. This is a super quick video. So for those of you guys that don't know, I just turned 30, and this week I ended up tweaking my back. So now I'm going into a story. I'm getting older. I'm talking about it while I'm playing. And at that point, people were like, turning 30, sweetness, but what's happened next? And they stay engaged. And still 15 seconds in, we've got like 40% of the people still watching the YouTube short. These analytics seem negative, but if you think about how fast you swipe through your TikTok feed, it's not negative. These are actually really, really good. It's what you want to go for. And one last thing, if you click over to the audience tab, you'll see 94% are not subscribed on the YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is an incredible way to reach new people. 22 returning viewers. That means they watched a video, they left, they came back to watch another video. You get people 2, 3, 4 times, I guarantee you they will want to subscribe to your content. If your content is consistent, if your content is good, people will subscribe and they want to watch it. So don't focus on how do I get viral. Focus on how do I get better. It's you versus you when it comes to content creation. So what have we learned? This is how YouTube Analytics works. I hope you guys enjoyed the deep dive. If you're new, I'll do a full video on it, but what you want to do is create searchable videos, relevant content, and focus on creating some YouTube Shorts. Try to be consistent, get on some kind of schedule. I want to look at this one real quick because this was the Apex Legends video I posted. 34 new subscribers. I'm still gaining them. Day to day, I'm still gaining them. 1,300 views on a channel with 500 subs is insane. Almost no search. Almost no search. This was not a searchable video. This was a video that had viral potential because people saw it on the home feed and they said, Apex Legends, but I'm rusty. I need to watch that. And so you don't always have to be searchable. You just have to iterate and find ways to bring people in, get the click rate up. Look at the analytics. Don't be afraid to look at the analytics and be hard on yourself. I mean, I had this video right here, only 240 views. I was a little bit bummed at this, but then I hopped in, I'm like, oh, 6 subscribers. That's really solid and a 3-minute watch time. But bam, 20 seconds in, half the people have left. There's opportunity for me to watch the first 20 seconds of this video and figure out how I could adapt it. Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's Mike or Geeker. Welcome back to another video. Today, because of your requests here on the channel, we are going to be hopping in and playing CSGO for the first time ever. Now, at that point, I'm 10 seconds in. I've already lost 30% of my audience. Isn't that crazy? Like, it seemed like a good intro. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're playing Counter-Strike for the first time ever. I'm 9 seconds in. 30% have left. What would have been better? Well, probably if I started the video about right here. Now, at that point, people aren't leaving. I'm in the gameplay. I'm engaged. I'm going. And so what that tells me is in future videos, when I start, maybe I have the gameplay rolling already. I do the intro while the game is already being played. Area of improvement? Let's find out. The next video posted on Mike Avery After Dark is going to be a Call of Duty video, Modern Warfare 2, and I'm going to try this. Come back and we're going to look at the analytics and compare and see if we have improved our watch time and our audience retention. That's going to do it for today. Random video, but I felt like it'd be helpful to hop into some YouTube analytics. Check out my Creator Insights. We've had a couple of you guys sign up this week. I really, really appreciate it. Right now, it's basically free one-on-one consulting for your YouTube growth. I will answer all of your questions. You're one of the first in the Discord channel, so take advantage of that. Check it out if you're interested. Use it to research. Give me some feedback. I will continue now that I have my voice back creating videos for you guys. So thank you guys for the love, and I will catch you in the next episode. Don't forget, subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to review you guys' content, help you grow, and hopefully you guys found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Peace.